Andariki Subhadinam, a good day to all. The answer key and response sheet for AP Set 2026 was released yesterday by 12 pm, which is April 16, 2026. Until tomorrow, which is April 18, 2026, 12 pm, you can raise your objection. Note, this is not the official answer key. When it comes to AP Set English, there are no questions to object logically. But here and there are few questions which seem like you can object. But to be honest, they cannot be objected. Maybe if they are objected, there are probabilities that the question setter may give answers or may drop the question, but we are not sure about that, so we are not posting any questions related to objection. We don't have much time left, just one day, so make your objections before 12 pm tomorrow, and you have to pay amount which is 200 rupees, but you will be repaid if your objection turns out to be the right one. To be honest, AP Set 2026 English question paper, this is the one of the easiest set question papers you can ever find in India. When it comes to paper 1, it was quite standard and in line with the usual UGC net standard. But it's not the same for English. For example, questions like who wrote Pride and Prejudice? And who wrote The Wasteland? These type of questions were asked, very basic and straightforward. Okay, now with only one day remaining, it's important to act quickly. If you are from an English literature background, post or comment the questions you want to raise objection, and we will explain you whether it can be objected or not. Okay, we will be posting all the necessary details to you within tonight, so make your comments soon. Thank you and stay updated. Since the response sheet has been released, you can cross check, verify your answer, and you can calculate your marks. And by this time, we hope you all have calculated your marks. Best wishes to everyone out there. Don't get sad if your score is less. As Shelley says, if winter comes, can the spring be far begin? AP Set examination is conducted once in every year, so you have opportunities ahead. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you all.